To check, remove, or replace the belt, you will first need to remove the airbox, red arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance with that task. With the airbox removed, you can see the drive belt. If you are just checking it, you can loosen the tensioner and rotate the belt around the pulleys. If you are removing it, you will first need to remove the 16mm bolt and spacer, red arrow, that connects the engine carrier to the engine. Remove the license plate and holder. Using an access hole on the left side of the bumper, insert a 16mm socket with a long extension and remove the bolt, red arrow. You will need a long magnet to get the bolt out from the carrier and bumper. With the bolt removed, you can remove the spacer, red arrow. Place a 30mm wrench on the hexagon nub on the tensioner lever, red arrow, and turn the nub clockwise as far as it will go. This will loosen the belt. There is no lockout, so do not get your fingers in between the belt and the tensioner. If you are going to reinstall the belt, mark the direction of rotation before removal and reinstall it in the same direction. Slip the belt off the tensioner, yellow arrow. There is very little room between the belt and the carrier and accessories. You will need to work both above and below the engine. When installing the new belt, begin by turning the belt sideways and slipping it in between the carrier and the vibration dampener. If any damage happens to the belt while you're installing it, you must replace it with a new belt. Position the belt on the running track on the vibration dampener, purple arrow. Guide the belt to the left past the coolant pump pulley, orange arrow not visible. Then guide the belt through the very small area between the pulley and the engine carrier. Fit the belt under the power steering pump, red arrow, and over the air conditioning compressor, yellow arrow. Then pre-position it on the roller, blue arrow. Use a 30mm wrench and turn the tensioner fully clockwise and slip the belt onto the tensioner. Release the tensioner and check the belt position on all pulleys. Installation of all other components is the reverse of removal. Torque the carrier bolt to 69 Newton meters or 48 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.